Today, we're diving into a question that's been popping up a lot in the comments. Can you use your YouTrip card to pay online? Let's be honest, online shopping has become a major part of our lives. From buying clothes to booking flights, it's all just a few clicks away. But when it comes to using a travel card like YouTrip, things can get a bit confusing. So, let's cut to the chase. Can you use your YouTrip card to pay online? The short answer is yes, you can. YouTrip is designed to be a versatile travel card, and online payments are definitely one of its features. Whether you're shopping on Amazon, booking a hotel on Expedia, or even subscribing to a streaming service, you can use your YouTrip card just like any other debit card. But here's the catch. Currency conversion fees. While YouTrip offers competitive exchange rates, you'll still be charged a small transaction fee when you make a purchase in a foreign currency. So, if you're planning to spend a lot online, it might be worth keeping an eye on these fees. Merchant acceptance. Most online merchants accept Visa or MasterCard, which are the networks YouTrip uses. However, there might be a few exceptions, especially for smaller or less international merchants. So, is it worth using YouTrip for online shopping? It depends on your specific circumstances. If you're traveling frequently and need a convenient way to manage your finances, YouTrip can be a great option. The ability to make online payments gives you added flexibility and convenience. But if you're primarily an online shopper and don't travel often, it might be more cost-effective to use a local debit or credit card. Additional tips. Check your card limits. Before making a large online purchase, ensure your YouTrip card has sufficient funds and that your daily spending limit is high enough. Enable online transactions. If you haven't already, activate online transactions on your YouTrip card. This is usually a simple process that can be done through the app. Secure your card. Always protect your card details and use strong passwords for online transactions. So, there you have it. You can definitely use your YouTrip card to pay online. Whether it's the best option for you depends on your individual needs and spending habits. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about YouTrip or travel cards in general, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips and tricks. Until next time, happy travels.